Hi, good morning. Now I'm going to take a seminar on biofuels and its types. What are biofuels? Biofuels are liquid fuel that can be developed from the other materials such as plants or animal waste matter. Why biofuels? Biofuel production and consumption ensures that the natural carbon cycle to be 100% achieved which completely eliminates the continuous increase in carbon dioxide rates in the atmosphere, which in turn will have the greatest effect on the environment and a way to end global warming. For example, a crop of plants used to produce a barrel of biofuel which will absorb exactly the same amount of carbon dioxide as emitted from the burning the barrel produced. This is the schematic representation of the carbon cycle, which is of the same amount of CO2 absorbed from the automobile is absorbed by the plant crops, and again the biofuel is produced from, and it was again used by the automobiles such as cars, trucks. Types of biofuels classified into first generation biofuels, second generation biofuels. First generation biofuels classified into bioalcohol, biodiesel, vegetable oil, biogas, syngas, soil biofuels. Next, we will see the bioethanol. Bioethanol is alcohol made by a fermentation, mostly from carbohydrate produced in sugar or starch crops such as corn or sugarcane. Cellulose biomass derived from the non-food sources such as trees and grasses is also being developed as a feedstock for ethanol production. The figure shows the schematic representation for the bioethanol production. First, the biomass handling was performed. Next, pre-treatment is for the performed from the biomass. The next is cellulose hydrolysis take place. The next, from the cellulose, the glucose was produced with the help of fermentation, and then finally, ethanol was recovered and is transported to other places. The next application of bioethanol includes transport fuel to replace gasoline, fuel for power generation by thermal combustion, fuel for fuel cells by thermochemical reaction, fuels in cogeneration systems, feedstock in the chemical industry. Blending ethanol with small portion of gasoline is more cost effective. Advantages of bioethanol include burns more cleanly as a result of more complete combustion, reduce greenhouse gases, it is carbon neutral, decrease in ozone formation, renewable energy sources, fuel spill are more easily biodegradable or diluted to non-toxic concentration. Any plant can be used for the production of bioethanol. The next disadvantages of include large amount of arable is required. Due to lucrative prices of bioethanol, some farmers may sacrifice food crops for formation of biofuels. During production of bioethanol, huge amount of carbon is released, not as efficient as petroleum. Cold storage difficulties, difficulty in transportation. Next, we will see the biodiesel. Biodiesel is a variety of extract-based oxygenated fuel derived from the natural, renewable biological sources such as vegetable oils. Biodiesel operates in the combustion engines like a petroleum diesel, thereby requiring no essential engine modifications. The figures of the biodiesel production, in which oil and fat was combined with the catalyst. Next, transesituation chemical process take place. From that, biodiesel is derived. The next advantage of biodiesel. Biodiesel is environment friendly. It can help. It can help reduce dependency on foreign oil. It helps to lubricate the engine itself, decreasing engine wear. It can reduce in almost any diesel with little or no engine modification. It is safer than conventional diesel, less global warming. Disadvantage of biodiesel includes biodiesel emission increase in which atmosphere. Biodiesel behaves as a solvent. Slightly decreased fuel economy. Cost varies according to feedstock use and market conditions. Use of biofuel includes cars and trucks, aircraft, off-road equipment, small engines. Advantage of biofuels include cost, source material, renewability, security, economic stimulation, lower carbon emissions. And a disadvantage of bio like includes it will produce carbon emissions, high cost, food price, shortages, and water use. Conclusion: biodiesel can be defined as a solid, liquid, or gas derived from the recently dead biological material, which differ from fossil fuels that derived from the long dead biological material. Biological production and consumption will contribute in solving the global warming. Many biofuels are now produced from organic waste such as biodiesel, which is produced from cooking oils, methane from anaerobic digestion, and ethanol from wood waste. Thank you.